In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and install a helpful tool within the ChatGPT interface that can take your workflow to the next level. We'll be diving into how you can search for, choose, and install a GPT that fits your specific needs, perfect for roles like, say, a YouTube script writer, among many other exciting possibilities. To start off, you'll want to head over to a familiar destination, ChatGPT. Simply open your browser and type in chatopenai.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This will take you into the ChatGPT environment, where you can access a range of features and tools designed to make your experience as streamlined as possible. Once you're logged in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of your screen. This will be key to unlocking the store of GPTs, so keep it in your sights. Look for the button that says Explore GPTs and give it a click. This will take you into the GPT store, which is brimming with custom tools created to meet a variety of needs and niches. Now, let's talk about searching for a GPT. At the very top of the GPT store, you'll see a search bar. This is where you'll enter the type of GPT you're interested in. Let's say, for instance, you're looking for a YouTube scriptwriter specifically. Simply type in YouTube scriptwriter and hit enter. This will pull up a selection of GPTs tailored to aid in creating engaging YouTube scripts, along with other options that might catch your eye. After you've entered your search, you'll see a list of potential GPTs pop up on your screen. Browse through this list and take your time choosing one that catches your interest. When you find one you like, click on it. This will open up the details page, giving you a closer look at what the GPT can do and offering a preview of how it might function in practice. It's always a good idea to check these details so you can make an informed decision on whether this GPT will meet your requirements. Once you've decided on the perfect GPT for your tasks, it's time to install it. Look for the option labeled Keep in Sidebar and click on it. What this does is ensure that the GPT you've chosen is readily accessible directly from the sidebar whenever you're working within ChatGPT. This means you won't have to go searching for it each time you want to use it, which is a great time saver and helps keep everything nice and organized. And that's it. You're now all set with your newly installed GPT, ready to make the most of its capabilities. Whether you're crafting YouTube scripts or exploring other creative ventures, integrating these tools into your workflow can make a big difference in efficiency and creativity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you as you navigate and make the most out of your ChatGPT experience.